The Lost Star. Once, in the vast, endless night sky, there was a small star named Twinkle. Twinkle was unlike the other stars. While most stars were content to stay in their place, shining brightly in the heavens, Twinkle had always felt a sense of longing, a feeling that there was something more out there, something it was meant to find. One night, as Twinkle gazed down at the world below, it noticed something that made its light flicker with excitement. Far beneath the other stars, there was a forest, dark and mysterious, yet glowing with a soft, inviting light. Twinkle felt an irresistible pull towards that forest, as if it was calling out to the little star. "I must go down there," Twinkle thought to itself. "Maybe what I've been searching for is in that forest." Without another thought, Twinkle began to drift downward, leaving its place in the sky. As it floated closer to the earth, the other stars watched in concern. "Twinkle, where are you going?" called a nearby star. "I'm going to find something," Twinkle replied, though it wasn't quite sure what that something was. The other stars whispered among themselves, but they couldn't stop Twinkle. The little star continued to descend, its light growing softer as it moved closer to the treetops. As Twinkle neared the forest, it felt a mix of emotions, sadness because it was leaving the sky, but also determination because it was certain that this journey was important. Finally, Twinkle floated just above the treetops, surrounded by the dark blue sky, which was dotted with countless stars that now seemed far away. Twinkle felt a little lost, unsure of what to do next. Below, the forest was quiet, but not entirely dark. There were glowing eyes peeking out from the shadows, the friendly eyes of animals who lived among the trees. They had noticed Twinkle and were now looking up at the little star with curiosity and kindness. A wise old owl perched on a branch, its large, glowing eyes reflecting Twinkle's light. "What brings you down here, little star?" the owl hooted softly. "I don't know," Twinkle replied, its light flickering with uncertainty. "I just felt like I had to come here, but now I'm not sure where to go." The owl blinked slowly, thinking, "Perhaps you are meant to find something in this forest. Why don't you take a look around? We will help you." Encouraged by the owl's words, Twinkle floated gently down into the forest, where the animals gathered around to guide the lost star. The rabbits hopped ahead, their fur glowing softly in the starlight. Fireflies danced through the air, lighting the way with their gentle glow. Even the foxes, usually shy and quiet, came out to offer their help. As Twinkle moved deeper into the forest, it began to notice something extraordinary. The leaves on the tree seemed to shimmer in its light, and the flowers began to bloom as if touched by magic. The forest wasn't just dark and mysterious, it was alive with beauty, waiting to be revealed. Eventually, Twinkle and the animals reached a small clearing, where the trees opened up to reveal the night sky once more. In the center of the clearing stood a single, ancient tree, its branches reaching towards the heavens. At the base of the tree, nestled among the roots, was a small, silver mirror. Twinkle floated closer to the mirror, drawn to its soft glow. The animals watched silently as Twinkle peered into the mirror, and what the star saw took its breath away. In the reflection, Twinkle didn't see just itself. It saw the sky, the stars, the moon, and the earth below. It saw the beauty of the night, the wonder of the forest, and the light that connected everything together. Twinkle realized then that it hadn't been lost at all. It had been searching for its place in the universe, a place where it belonged not just in the sky, but as part of the earth and all its creatures. The mirror had shown Twinkle that its light was meant to shine not only above but within the world as well. With this new understanding, Twinkle's light began to shine brighter and more beautifully than ever before. The forest was bathed in its soft, warm glow, and the animals cheered, their hearts filled with joy. Twinkle floated back up above the treetops, no longer feeling lost. The other stars welcomed Twinkle back with twinkling lights of their own, glad to see their friend return. But now, Twinkle knew that it was connected to both the sky and the earth, to the stars and the forest below. From that night on, Twinkle would often float down to visit the forest, sharing its light with the animals and the trees. And in return, the forest would remind Twinkle of the beauty of the earth, a beauty that was as much a part of the star as the night sky itself. And so, Twinkle became a bridge between the heavens and the earth, shining brightly and proudly, no longer lost, but found in the light of friendship and the beauty of the world below. The end.